The HyperX Alloy Elite 2 is a solid contender for anyone looking for a feature-rich mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. Out of the box, the pre-installed pudding keycaps are a standout feature. They really amplify the RGB backlighting, creating a vibrant and immersive lighting experience that's noticeably brighter than standard keycaps. The dedicated media keys and that oversized volume wheel are incredibly convenient, especially for multitasking between gaming, content creation, and general use. No more fumbling around for volume controls mid-game. HyperX uses their own mechanical switches in this keyboard, and while they might not be as renowned as some other brands, they offer a good balance of responsiveness and accuracy. They feel tactile and snappy, making them suitable for both gaming and typing. The steel frame gives the keyboard a reassuring heft and prevents it from sliding around during intense gameplay. It feels durable and well-built. The HyperX Ingenuity software allows for extensive customization of the RGB lighting and allows you to set up macros and different game profiles. While the software is generally user-friendly, it can be a bit resource-intensive. One minor drawback is that the keycaps are ABS plastic, which can become shiny over time. The USB 2.0 pass-through is a nice addition, though a USB 3.0 pass-through would have been even better. Overall, the HyperX Alloy Elite 2 offers excellent value. The vibrant pudding keycaps, dedicated media controls, and sturdy build make it a compelling option for gamers and content creators alike. While there are a few minor shortcomings, the impressive lighting and overall performance make it a strong contender in its price range. If you're looking for a customizable, visually stunning keyboard without emptying your wallet, the Alloy Elite 2 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.